Hi everybody, Nella Holton Power Sports here. On this beautiful, beautiful sunny Monday morning, we're going to take a look at the 2021 Arctic Cat Blast ZR4000, new to the showroom floor. We've got just a couple left of the handful that were ordered, so make sure if you like what you see after this video that you call 207-532-4381 and reserve yours today. Let's take a look. All right, so again, we're taking a look at the 2021 Arctic Cat Blast ZR4000. 121 length. Just gonna go over a few kind of specifications, see what the sticker price of $8,095 gets you. Again, 121 track with the 1-inch lug. Really nice color scheme on this Arctic Cat here. We got the charcoal gray, medium green with a few of the purple accents. Really sharp looking. We'll start right here at the front. We get a single halogen headlamp with a real low rise windshield. Adjustable skis here on the front. That's your standard, just a 6-inch plastic ski, single runners. The skis are adjustable. You've got about an inch to play with, going from 37.5 to 38.5 for the stance. Got about 7 inches travel there in the front. A little over 10 in the back. Be a really great trail sled. It's marketed as an entry-level sled, but good for some trail riding. Maybe you're playing in the light powder. Kind of ideal for ice fishers. Pretty well equipped too. This sled here does have electric start and reverse. Let's take a look at those buttons here. Heated hand grips and thumb. Tether switch there. You get the small, nice digital display with all your vehicle information. The single cylinder 2-stroke puts out about 65 horsepower. Take one more walk around. And again, folks, just a couple left of these in stock here at Holton Power Sports. So come visit us at 381 North Road in Holton, or give us a call at 207-532-4381. Be happy to give you some more information or get one reserved for you today. We'll start this up. Give it one good sound, and thank you so much for watching, folks. Happy Monday.